In Enugu State, Governor Peter Mba is revamping the state's Forest Guard in a bid to strengthen security across the state by equipping the guards with highly sophisticated weapons to protect citizens. In a new video trending on social media, the guards were seen displaying their new weapons. Let's take a look.
Choose your fire! Choose your fire! Choose your fire! Choose your fire! I will tell you one thing today. If you hold this gun, somebody with the GPMG on ambush, you will get him down. Once you hold this gun firmly, the enemy is in the front or side, left or right. Even hold that you carry your dirty, that person will go down.
Carry AK-47. So I don't know whether pump action can tackle AK-47.
Really?
Well, these guns have range. They have level. So, in other words, training is very important. They will need other things apart from pump action. The man who is supposed to be their commander, he says, ceasefire.
Yes.
Ceasefire. That's why training is important. They will even need machete. They will need knives. They will need, and since the government is committed to security, that's a good thing. Now, those guns should not be used against civilians, because their job is inside the forest, not outside. Before you know it now, they will move from the forest to the main road and be looking for motorists and be using the gun to harass the civilians in Enugu State. That should not happen. So those are the basic details.
I know, right?
But the concept of it, is good.
I think
those guns should not be used as civilians. And another thing is that these guys need proper weapons, not pump action. If your enemy is carrying AK-47, you should also go and carry the same thing. Let there not be any imbalance in firing shot. Let them get even something better than AK-47. And I'm suggesting for Enugu State government to go and recruit more youths. We need nothing less than 10,000 to 50,000 youths in this forest guard thing. Not just to guard the forest, but to guard the city as well, to guard everywhere, even to guard your own house. Let all the youths, whether you are looking for work or not, go into this training. Because these Fulani people, they get plan. They have plan in that bush. They are everywhere in the bushes. We need to take the war to them into those bushes. That's how to win this war. It's a guerrilla warfare. Don't wait for them to come and buy you at night. You should go and buy them in those forests. That's what I'm suggesting. Nice one, guys.